So same thing that I was talking about, that sinovertebral nerve. Sinovertebral nerve. That guy is responsible. So when this gets irritated, then the sinovertebral nerve gets irritated, and because it is coming from the nerve root, so the surrounding muscles go into spasm in a reflex arc. Cervical spine में the discs का root is this way. In lumbar spine the discs का root is this way. So if you have a L4-5 disc with prolapse here, then it will give you a L5 deficit. If the same L4-5 root is far lateral, it will give you a L4 deficit. समझा? Pictograph of a disc. This is the annulus, this is the nucleus. मतलब cadaver. Then you have this annular tear. Then you inject that, you see, oh, kitna sab, the nucleus can travel in so many places because of the annular tears. Again, all these are visuals for you to understand the mechanics. See how the nerve root can be blocked because of the prolapse. Same, depending on where the disc is, you will get different roots affected, whatever showing in the other root. This is when you are looking at MRIs. I mean, this is of importance when you look at MRIs. Normal disc, disc bulge, disc protrusion, disc extrusion, and this is sequestrated disc. मतलब where the parent से छुट्टा पड़ गया ये. You can do nothing about this unless surgically removed.
Protrusion and extrusion.
The PLL is intact, it's a bulge. PLL is out, it is protrusion, and it goes beyond its extrusion, and when it detaches, it is sequestration. So again, cadaver. Disc desiccated, disc okay. When the disc protrudes intraosseous, it's known as a Schmall's node. They have no clinical value. Only X-ray and MRI show Schmall's node. See, different, I was telling you, different segments can have different levels of degeneration. Nice disc, fully degenerated, minimal degeneration. See, prolapse intraosseous with that nucleus traveling, that's a Schmall's node. Same जो बोला वो vertical cut था, ये axial cut है.
So for it to prolapse, there should be a tear in that.
Correct.
So wouldn't that cause any
Symptoms? Yes. So many times if you take a very detailed history, they'll say, actually 3-4 महीने से है ना, जब भी मैं ज़्यादा टाइम बैठ के उठता था ना, तो I used to feel a little stiff. जब भी मैं ड्राइव करने के बाद 1 घंटा ड्राइव किया ना, बाद में जब भी बाहर निकलने का, it'll take me 2 seconds to straighten up. These are all indicators of histochemical change taking place at that annulus with those micro tears.
So then that would be picked up only on MRI.
नहीं, history.
Then should that
बस तब वो आता है तभी बोलने का, हाँ, good you told me. Now you start doing extension exercises and prevent prolonged postures of flexion. So then you can prevent a proper tear, you can prevent a proper prolapse. Same, I'm giving only different visuals pathoanatomically so that it gets clear inside. The instability I was talking about, that's how can cause a nerve compression. The instability itself. Clean canal to hypertrophy and hence canal compromise. It becomes a triradiate canal almost. You have osteophyte from the disc, you have ligamentum flavum thickening, and you have facet joint arthropathy, all causing canal compromise. So stage 1 to stage 3.
Okay.
Why is it? Sorry, it's making up. Now, this is showing extreme amount of spondylotic change with total osteophytes everywhere. But see the 3 dimensions of it. From here, I want you to go back to heel pain mein spur. The spur everyone thinks is like a thorn which is come out like, but it is actually a shelf of new bone along the whole of plantar fascia attachment. Like this osteophyte, it starts from here to the other side. Understand that. And that cannot happen overnight, and that cannot retract overnight. So heel pain is not due to spur, is reiterated. Same. Severe disc degeneration, osteophytes in front, osteophytes behind, canal compromised everywhere because there is ligamentum flavum thickening. So much that now it is fused, bone to bone, and there is no canal left behind.
This is like ankylosing.
No, this is pure degenerative thing going bad and waiting till it became so bad. Sometimes you can have disc calcifications. How the foramen gets narrowed, I was showing you on the x-rays. So this is the cadaver. See how the foramen gets narrowed. समझा? ये देखो ये इसके साथ मैच करो, बराबर?